Hey everybody, welcome back to Guns and Gadgets, your source for Second Amendment news. Sorry for the absence. I'm working a lot of hours. I just wanted to do this quick little update. I don't have a lot of time, so I'm going to get right into it. The Supreme Court is considering taking up its Second Amendment case in the last 10 years, and this is big. This would be 2 cases in the same year if this falls through. It's not definite yet. They don't have a writ certiorari. However, the U.S. Supreme Court has reached out to New Jersey officials asking for more information, basically. The cases which a gentleman named Thomas Rogers meets all the requirements under New Jersey state law to get a concealed carry permit. However, New Jersey, as you all know, they do not like to give people the ability to carry a firearm. Police are saying that he cannot show evidence of a direct or specific threat of his life, even though he manages an ATM machine service company. And all that is in a high crime area. So this guy meets all the legal requirements to get a permit. They won't give it to him. They want to make him, I guess, die first before he can have his Second Amendment right. Now, like I said, just because the Supreme Court has reached out to New Jersey officials to respond to the legal challenge, it's not written in stone that they'll take it yet. So it's very possible that we could have a federal case that challenges New Jersey's justifiable need clause that they have put in on their own. This case was pushed all the way up to the Supreme Court by the Association of New Jersey Rifle and Pistol Clubs. What's key also is that in addition to those who are already involved in this case, 22 attorneys general from other states have submitted an amicus brief to the Supreme Court asking them specifically to take up this case because 42 states in the Union have shall issue laws, whereas a couple of our slave states, like Massachusetts here, it's ebb and flows depending on what the individual licensing official thinks or feels. Quick little quote from the case. Quote, "The core Second Amendment right of armed self-defense is just as important to an ordinary New Jersey citizen when she is traveling through a dangerous neighborhood as it is when she is safe in her home." That's from Scott Bach, who is the Association of New Jersey Rifle and Pistol Clubs Executive Director. One of the quotes from the case filing says, "This Second Amendment right to bear arms in public cannot be subject to a government official's discretionary determination of whether a law-abiding citizen has a justifiable need to exercise that right." If you watch this channel, it's stuff we've been saying here for a very long time. Your right is your right, and the government doesn't get to decide who gets to exercise a right and who doesn't. Like I said, this is the second case that is in the same realm. The Supreme Court has already issued a writ certiorari for the case out of New York, which is basically very, very similar. So this could be taken up as well. Hopefully it is, and hopefully they side on our side, because that'd be 2 cases struck down from 2 of the most strict gun control states, and that would pretty much set the course of fixing a lot of the problems with the way the Second Amendment is treated in some of these states. So again, I apologize for the absence. There is some stuff going on. I'm going to try to get here and get things out on the channel as much as I can. Just going through a tough time where I have to do a lot of work. So bear with me until we see each other again. This is Jared from Guns and Gadgets. Be safe, stay vigilant. Please pass this along and subscribe if you haven't already, and carry a weapon. Take care, everybody.